Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, with using that Axios, I want to actually get all that this JSON placeholder data. Well, I want to get all the data and visible it in our project in our block component area. So if you want to do that work, first of all, you have to install that Axios. So that is actually installing, and now I want to installing with the npm. That is our code actually. There is a npm install Axios. So I just simply copy it. Okay, I just simply copy it and now go to our project directory. So that is our project directory as exercise file, and then our React SML, right? So better I want to actually cart it. Okay, I just close it and now go to our project directory, and here I want to run our cmd again. So that is our cmd, and here I just simply paste it as a npm install and Axios. So now I just click as a enter. So now it's automatically downloaded all that file and it will be installed that Axios in your system. So it may take little time. So better friend, when it will be done, then I will actually come back again. So friend, here you can see our Axios is now successfully installed. So here it's successfully installed and now it's redirected to our main directory. So now if you want to check it, like here, if you want to check it, now go to your package JSON. As I told you, when you install any package, it will be automatically added in our package JSON area. So into the package JSON, here you can see now that is actually our Axios. So before they have no Axios, so right now we install it, and for the reasons you can see that is actually showing our Axios and also showing that version as 0.19.2. Okay friends, so we successfully install it. So right now I just remove everything from here. Okay, I just simply remove everything from here. There is our app.js. So into the app.js, as I told you before, so I have already discussed about that our render lifecycle method, and also they have the another two of this method. One is the component did mount, another is the component did update. So now we will work with two of this method as a component did mount and the component did update. Okay, so with this component did mount, what exactly it's actually do? So component did mount actually when this component, that means this component when it will be run, first of all our component did mount method will be run. So if you put something in your component did mount area, first of all component did mount, all that function will be activated, and then our rest of all that component code will be activated. Okay friends, so make that sure you just remember it as a component did mount actually work when this app component will be activated. First of all, whatever the things you will put in our component did mount area, this function will be activated, and after that is our render, rather than everything will be activated. So I will show you that things with the live example. So don't worry, just remember that part as there have the two another lifecycle method. One is the component did mount, another is the component did update. Okay. So right now I want to actually get all that our data. So here I have already installed our Axios. So now we are ready to get all that our JSON API data, and I want to visible it in our this blog page. So how can do that work? In our next video, I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.